So before this video actually goes ahead and gets started, I want to go ahead and show you guys a little bit of the fitment, because I realized I didn't do that in the actual video. So that's kind of how we have it set right now. That top part, there is an actual carbon piece for it, but I mean, that's kind of, I don't know, I mean, honestly, it's pretty expensive. Honestly, I think it's like $600 to get that. This one right here, I actually didn't say that either in the video, and it was about, I think it came out to about $800 because of the shipping, but I think they have it posted for $700. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys do enjoy the video. So again, just go ahead and like the video if you do enjoy it. So we just had to move out the cars, obviously. So we have the Camaro SS right there. So I was gonna go ahead and be the camera person as usual. So here we have a big old box from Trufiber. All right, well, it actually kind of works out. But anyways, it's already emptied, obviously. So we went ahead and actually took it out. It's inside the house right now because I want to go ahead and inspect it before I signed off on it. We finally got something I wanted for this car in general a long time, but it's gonna go ahead and make that look a lot better. And here it is, super beautiful, and it is real carbon fiber. So it's a hardware replacement. So we're gonna go ahead and actually put that in there. But before we do that, I know you can't really see, but there's actually, the seat belts are actually just lodged underneath, kind of hidden right now. So we're gonna go ahead and actually remove those completely, since once we put this in, we really don't plan on taking this out anytime soon. So we're gonna finally actually make this look good back here, just because it's kind of just been like this for a little bit now. And I'm over it. I wanted to go ahead and actually get the seat delete kit for it because I never have anyone in the back seats in the first place. But when you're gonna do something, might as well just go all out. So we actually went up with the whole entire carbon fiber seat delete, because I actually haven't really seen anyone have a whole carbon fiber in the back like that. So I think it's gonna go ahead and bring everything all together, so you can go ahead and see all the wolfza carbon. It's all real carbon. It's just in an overlay installment, if you guys don't know yet, but it just looks outstanding. So go ahead and use code Jacobs if you guys want to get yourself some. But that's the entire, all of this is actually wolfza. And then we're gonna go ahead and add this Trufiber and complete the entire interior. The steering wheel is in order from wolfza carbon as well, but that one's actually custom made, so we have to wait for that one. So guys, I actually went ahead and slew this pry tool. If you guys don't have a pry tool kit, go ahead and all these right here. I definitely recommend getting one of these kits. It's on Amazon, very cheap. So I went ahead and put this in, and I was able just to knock it all out in one. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and do a separate project on this, because you can actually change the colors of the SVT symbol here, but you need to actually do a little bit of wiring. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually pull this out for a little bit and leave this off. So now with that one out of the way, that is literally the hardest one out of all these. So you guys can go ahead and see, just pry this back. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this little guy out of here. Again, these tools come very handy. This one, these are just hooked on the screws, and you can go ahead and actually move them over a little bit, gives you that extra clearance. And that's all she wrote for this one. So with that out of the way, you can go ahead and actually see how we have the seat belts just kind of tucked away, because I wanted to take them off before, but I wasn't entirely sure, so we just kind of left them tucked away. So we have to remove this whole pan right here too, just in order to actually get to the back seat belt, which we'll go ahead and expose right now. We'll be able to remove all this, which will expose the actual seat belts. As you guys can go ahead and see, we just had them wrapped around so they didn't make any noise. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and unplug these real quick. So now we're gonna go ahead and pop these two out. So we have the one down here holding the bottom part, and we actually have the one up here holding it up. Boom. There it is. And there we go, second one out.
Alrighty guys, look at this beauty we have in here. We finished all up and almost take the dishes. Just kidding, looks good. Okay. The finishing touches and everything. Bam, boy.
There we go, finished product. Looks really, really nice. Honestly, kind of, like I said, I was gonna bring everything together, so I'm trying to get some more angles here, but that's kind of harsh with the sun right now. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next one. Again, huge shout out to wolfza Carbon Jacobs for the code on that one, and huge shout out for Trufiber. I'm hoping that we can go ahead and work something out to get the remainder, like the side skirts, the diffuser, just all the trim, plastic trims in general. That's the whole plan, is to actually make them all carbon. But again, you know, honestly, that costs a lot, and it's gonna take a long time to get to that point. So I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.